Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Instagram checkpoint required error. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting Instagram checkpoint error required on your Instagram app, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to check whether your Instagram app is up to date or not. If not, then update it from your Play Store. Just open the Play Store, then search for Instagram. If it is not updated, just tap on the update. After completion of the update, check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try the second method. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see your app management. Just tap on this. Just tap on the app list. Just tap on the search bar. Then search for Instagram. Just tap on the Instagram. Click on force stop. Again you have to click on the force stop. Just tap on the storage usage. Just tap on the clear cache. And just tap on the clear data. Before clicking OK, you have to make sure that you have remember your Instagram email ID or Instagram username or password. If you had remember your Instagram username or password, just tap on OK. After that, then go back. And the third option is you need to verify your Instagram email ID and password. Just tap on the Instagram app. Below you can see profile icon. Just tap on this. Just tap on the edit profile. Just tap on the personal information setting. If your email address and phone number is not verified, just you need to enter your email ID and phone number. After that you will receive a OTP. Just enter the OTP and just click on the confirm. After that your email ID and phone number will be verified. After doing this, check whether it is fixed or not. If not, then try to uninstall and reinstall your Instagram app. Just tap on the settings. Just tap on the app management. Just tap on the app list. Search for the Instagram. Just tap on the uninstall. Just tap on the OK. After that, then go back. Just open the Play Store and try to reinstall your Instagram app from here. Guys, after doing this, and the last method is you need to disable your Instagram account temporarily. If you don't know how to disable your Instagram account temporarily, you can, guys, if you want to know how to temporarily disable your Instagram account, you can see my recent video which I had uploaded on YouTube. If you want that video link, I will provide it in my description link. You can just click there and watch the video how to disable your temporary Instagram account. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Instagram checkpoint required error. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.